Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I am super excited to be unboxing Evie Patty Gel, also known as Long Hair Pretty Nails. She is a famous YouTuber that does nails, and she came out with this patty gel, which is also polygel, and I am so excited to review this. So I only bought the polygel kit, and it comes with 3 polygels in 30 ml, which is a great size. So the first one is So Cute, this one is Sweet Life, and the last one is Amethyst. Now, normally, polygel kits, they will come like with the brush and a nail file, but this just came with her kit and then the directions on the back of the polygel. Now, I didn't get the brush because I had so many brushes and I didn't want to spend money on an extra brush. Like, I literally have like 4 brand new brushes from Macart. So for this set, I will be doing or using my dual forms in the almond shape. And here I am just sizing them out and making sure that it, well, I thought it fit sidewall to sidewall, but as you guys will see later on, I should have gone up a little bit size more, especially with dual forms. So here I'm just going to swatch the polygels for you guys. And so the first one is So Cute. Now this is a light pink polygel, and you can't really tell, but it has like some sparkles in it. And now Sweet Life, Sweet Life is a mylar polygel with like holographic glitter. And next is the Amethyst, which is a purple glitter, like a lavender purple, or maybe a little bit, no, it's definitely a darker, okay, yeah, it's a darker purple, with these sparkles. So look how gorgeous these polygel look. They look amazing. I'm so excited to use them, and I cannot wait. So for the first nail, for my pinky nail, I decided that I was going to use the So Cute polygel, and just do a full nail of that. And so while I was pressing down on the polygel, literally it was so smooth, and I had to, I don't know if you could see how fast this, like, came right, like, great into shape, and it was very easy to move, didn't stick to my brush at all. And I used barely any alcohol, and that was definitely an A plus for me, because I hate it when I have to, like, when the polygels are very sticky and I constantly have to dip it in alcohol and wipe my brush. But this polygel, I'm telling you, you needed like bare minimum alcohol, and it just like spread so easily. I was really in love when I first tried it. So as you can see, I put on the pinky nail, and I just cured that for 60 seconds. And then for the ring finger, I decided I was going to do an ombre between So Cute. So I'm putting So Cute at the cuticle area, and I was just adding a little bit more because I felt like I needed a little bit more. And then I'm going to put Sweet Life at the bottom. So here I'm just adding Sweet Life to the bottom and just ombreing it out, spreading that polygel upwards and making sure that it's in the dual form. And guys, the consistency of this polygel was like butter. Like, it was so smooth. Like, I'm telling you, it glided, and I was really impressed. I'm like really impressed the way this polygel is. I wish all my polygel came like this, honestly, because like I said, it was just so easy to maneuver, and I'm pretty sure like the next time I try this, it will definitely be doing when not using nail forms, just regular tips, so I can see how good it actually, you know, is. But for the pointer finger, I'm actually going to do the same thing. I'm going to use So Cute at the cuticle area, and then Sweet Life at the bottom. And guys, she did a really good job in creating these polygels. I definitely recommend these polygels if you're looking for some glitter polygels. And hopefully she makes some solid color polygels, like a really good nude and pink colors, because those are definitely my favorite and I definitely will buy. And now for the middle finger, I decided that I was going to ombre the Sweet Life and the Amethyst Polygel. So I'm just adding Sweet Life to the cuticle area, ombreing it down, and then adding the Amethyst to the bottom. And look at how beautiful this Sweet Life is. Like, really, these polygel glitter, like glitter polygels, is really pretty. Like, I'm really impressed. And, you know, I'm not, you know, this is not a sponsorship or nothing. Like, this is a real review in my opinion. And I've tried so many different polygels, guys, and there's some really sticky ones that just can be so hard to use. But this is really amazing. Like, this is definitely one of my favorite polygels. I have to admit that. And like I said, I just hope she creates more solid colors so you can use on the daily and for every set. But yeah, definitely recommend them, guys. So look how cute this ombre look. I love the ombre. That Sweet Life and the Amethyst went so perfect. And so I just cured that for 60 seconds. And now I'm moving on to my thumb. And I'm just doing the same thing that I did for my pinky, using that So Cute polygel and just spreading it all over in the dual form. And then once it's filled, I just place it on my thumb and then cure that for 60 seconds. But as I was saying before, I wish I chose bigger size dual forms, just because when I pressed down, it wasn't covering the entire nail. You might be able to see it on my thumbnail, but it wasn't covering the entire nail. But it didn't look bad, so you guys will see later on how it looks. It looks still fine, just something that I wish that I had done. So once they were fully cured, I am popping off these dual forms, and mind you guys, I do cure underneath the nail also, just in case it doesn't cure. I do cure underneath. So yes, I'm just popping off these nails, and look at them, they look so cute already. And now I'm just going in with my 100 grit nail file, well, 100 grit 180 nail file, and just filing those sides, the cuticle area, and just shaping it up and making it into a stiletto. And now I'm just going over my cuticle with this cuticle bit and just sealing the cuticles in. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's some part where the area looks like right here in the corners, it's like a little bit looks like it needs more polygel because it was squeezed, because like I said, I needed to use bigger dual forms. But yeah, one thing I like about dual forms though, if you have a good dual forms, not the typical ones because they leave a weird looking shape. So I'm very particular when it comes to using dual forms. I like these and my straight ones, but the dual forms, you don't have to do much filing because they already give you a C curve, which I love. So once I was done filing, I'm just going in with some alcohol and just scrubbing off that dust. And for this set, I decided that I was going to use some silver foil and this UR Sugar Spider Gel. And I was going to try to put on some pearls. So for the to add on my foil, I'm going to use my Macart base coat and just base coat all the nails and then cure that for just 15 seconds, just to flash cure it to make sure that it has a tacky layer. And I'm sorry guys, I meant to say that dual forms give you an apex, not a C curve. They give you that nice apex so that you don't have to create it. But now after I flash cured my nails with the base coat, I'm going in with my foil and just placing the foil all over the nails. I didn't have it in any particular order, just wanted to spread it out, mostly at the tip area, the middle and the tip area. So I do that for all of the nails, and then after I was done, I cured that for 60 seconds. And this is how they look so far. They look super duper cute. I love how So Cute has that like purple shimmer in the light. I don't know if you can see that, but it's so cute. I love that. It's like a unicorn look. But now I'm going in with my, it's like a creamy white or milky white spider gel. And I thought this was so cute. I just wanted to try it, and look at that. I love it. But I wish I did make thinner lines because I felt like it was for the rest of the nails, the middle finger and the ring finger, it was getting spreading too much, I want to say. Like the lines were just too thick. I just wish they were thinner. I should have done them thinner, but look at them. These look so cute. I love this. I am so excited for this set, guys. It's coming out so cute. Just like her polygel name. Once I was done with the spider gel, I cured them for 60 seconds. And like I said, I wanted to put some pearls on. So I have my rhinestone gel. And now I was looking to see how the pearl will look because it was a flat back pearl, but it was pretty big. So I didn't know if it was going to look good. But for me, so when I tried it on, I was just like, oh, okay, I don't like it because it's just way too big. So now I tried a different one. This is like, that's not a flat bag. It's actual pearl, all circular. I didn't like this one. So I literally was going through like all the pieces in this little gem case and I didn't like any of them. I know, I was just so picky because I just, wanted this to have a nice look. So I decided just to go in with my regular rhinestones and just for the for the pointer and the ring finger, I just did some cuticle rhinestones. So this is what I did here. And now I am just going to add my top coat all the nails for 60 seconds, add some cuticle oil, rub that in, and then we'll be back with the final look. And this is the final look, guys. Look how beautiful this set. This is by far one of my favorite sets. I am so in love. I really love that Sweet Life patty gel. It is a beautiful color along with that amethyst and the so cute. I love that unicorn look, guys. Definitely recommend this polygel. Great consistency. The only thing is that her polygel kit doesn't come with a brush or a nail file, which is okay. That's fine, because they are bigger sizes. They are 30 ml. Usually their polygels are smaller. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.